5 digital products you can create today with what you already know. In the last video, I explained to you 7 things you can you can turn into a digital product and people are going to pay for it. But in this video, I'm going to explain further the digital products you can create with your knowledge, right? So if you stay to the end of this video, you're going to definitely get value from this video. Now, who am I and why am I qualified to teach you this? That is because in the last 30 days, I've been able to sell a 3,000 hour course to over 100% in just 30 days, giving me a revenue of about 300,000 hour plus, right? So that means that whatever I'm going to be teaching you is what I know, is what has worked for me, and if you follow the same step, it's going to work for you. And also, I'm also a digital course creator. In the last few years, I have created more than 10 courses, digital courses. These are just the only one I have posted on seller, and this does not even show you the full picture of how many sales I've made for each of these digital courses, because I make most of my sales on my WhatsApp DM, right? So whatever I'm going to tell you in this video is what I know, is what has worked, and it can work for you if you follow through. So I want you to start with what you know. There's something you know, there's a result you have achieved before, there's an experience you have that you can package into a digital product, right? So you don't need a new skill to make money online. You only need to package your knowledge, your skill, your experience, your result into something valuable that people can pay for, right? So instead of going around to go and learn a new skill, today it is YouTube automation, okay, tomorrow it is forest, next tomorrow it is job shipping. No, what you know, package it into something valuable that people can pay for. And that is why I'm talking about digital products. So what is a digital product? A digital product is something you can create once and sell or deliver online. And this is why I love digital products, because you don't need to create them again and again, just like physical product. Now, this is a smartphone. This is a physical product. Now, for me to sell this phone to millions of people, then that means that I have to create this phone a million times, right? But a digital product, you only create once, and you can sell that same one product to millions of people. You don't need to create again and again. Another advantage of digital product is that you don't need to deliver physically. So you are not paying for delivery and all of that. You can deliver it online and it is stress free, right? So you create one, you sell multiple times, you keep making money. So example of digital products are courses, online courses, ebooks, templates, masterclasses, and guides. So no physical inventory is needed, no delivery bike is needed, no shop is required. The shop that we are using is the online space, right? So this is the advantage of digital product, and you should not sleep on it. So let us look at example of digital. Remember, I said I want to show you 5 digital products you can create with what you already know, right? So number one is an online course. So all you just need to do is just to teach a skill or process step by step, right? Example is Facebook ad for beginners. I'm an advertiser, so I have a course on this Facebook ad for beginners. Learn baking from home, smartphone video editing, Excel for business owners, how to start freelancing. Now, these are ideas, these are skills that people have, so you can now package you doing it in an online course, like a video course, right? That people can access online. So this is best for knowledge that require detailed explanation and demonstration. So let's take for example, you know how to bake very well. So you can decide to start recording your baking process step by step. So you have different videos for each steps, and you package it, you put it in a Google Drive, and you sell it. Let's say maybe the process is like about 10 steps. So you create each step in one video, you put it in you upload it on Google Drive, and you sell it. As simple as that. And you can sell that same video, that same set of video to millions of people that need them. So you don't need to create it again and again. You create it once and you sell repeatedly. And that's what I did with all these courses here. I create them once. Like look at this one now. Video ad creation course. I've sold this course on seller to about 153 persons. It's 19,000 naira. Now, I didn't create it 153 times. I created it once and I sold it to 153 persons, you know, and I'm making the money till today. So that's a one type of digital product that you can create, right? So number two is ebook or guide. Now, if you look at this picture now, a friend of mine was man, me, I am a friend of mine. We actually, we discovered that there's a rise of single mothers on social media. So we decided to write an ebook to help single mothers to find love again. So this is an ebook, right? You can see it. So we wrote it and we are selling it. So you can turn what you know into a practical written guide. So the difference between an ebook and online courses are usually video, while ebooks are written, right? Written guide. So example, beginners guide to importation, how to prepare for job interviews, starting a small catering business, how to get your first freelance client. So you don't need 200 pages. You just need to solve one specific problem. Now, this ebook that I wrote is about 50 pages. So, and I just solved a problem. You can see the problem is that single mothers are finding it difficult to find love. So, we solved that problem in an ebook, in a practical guide, and we are selling it, and single mothers are getting love again, and we are making our money from it. You see that? So, number three is live masterclass. Now, you don't even need to record a full course. Just choose one specific topic and teach it live. So, for example, how to run your first Facebook ad. So, instead of me creating a video, I just invite you guys. I invite people that are paid into a Google Meet or YouTube Live or TikTok Live, and I teach them. But for them to have access to that live class, I they have to pay for it, right? So instead of recording a full course, you are what? You are doing something live, and people love that because they say, okay, if this guy they want to see your processes. So how to run your first Facebook ad, how to create your first digital product, how to bake the perfect birthday cake. Teach for 1 or 3 hours and charge for access. As simple as that. And as you can also record the live and you charge higher price for the live for the recording. Do you get it? So that's another type of digital product you can create. So template and resources. Sometimes people don't know about that. Sometimes people don't want another course. They want something that save them time. So you can sell Canva template, business document template, content calendars, yes, CV template, budget spreadsheet, proposal template, AI prompt, checklist. These are things that you can create. You get, so you create the shortcut, they pay for the convenience. So templates. Now, one of the courses that I created here, let me show you here. You can see this the Facebook ad success toolbox. So that is a template that I create on the things that is needed for you to be successful with Facebook ads, right? So this is also another type of um digital product that you can create and sell. So the last one, but not the least, membership or paid community. Now you can turn ongoing knowledge and support into a recurring product. So members can pay for access to weekly trainings, resources, question and answer section, accountability, industry updates, community support. So instead of selling once, you can potentially earn recurring income. So you can have a community, but that community is paid and you are giving them insider information. You are giving them upgraded information on that your particular stuff. Let's say that you are into um shares, stock and shares, right? You can have a paid community where people are there and you are telling them, okay, this is a new shares you can buy. You're giving them insider information, upgraded information that is not accessible to people, and they pay for them being in that community or being a member of that community, over and over again. So these are just, and there are still more, but these are five recommended ones from me that I've seen that it sells and is work, and you too can, start earning from it, right? So also, You can have just one knowledge and multiple products. You can have one knowledge and multiple products. This is the part I really want to emphasize strongly. Let's say that you know how to run Facebook ads, right? So that one knowledge can become five things. You can write an ebook, Facebook ad beginner guide, can have a template, winning ad copy template, masterclass. You turn your first, launch your first Facebook ad course, Facebook ad for beginners to advanced, community monthly ads growth club. So just depend how smart you are. You can turn one knowledge into multiple products. Like me, I have community, I have a paid community, I have an online course, I have live training also. So I have three of these products. So one knowledge, you can split it into multiple products. Do you get it? And you still keep making money from it. And but before, don't just so the question will not be which one should you create out of these five I've mentioned, which one should you create? Now, I have to tell you that don't just choose one randomly. Ask yourself these four questions. What do I know? Firstly, you must know what you know. Who need it? What problem am I solving? What is the easiest way to deliver the solution? This is the common. What is the easiest way to deliver solution? Depending on those that are going to buy it. Once you know your target audience, you'll be able to know the way you can deliver your solution. So if your target audience are familiar with Google Drive, you should create an online course. If they love reading, you should create an ebook, right? So it depends on your target audience. And so once you know your target audience, you know how to deliver your digital product, and that will inform you the kind of digital product that you should create, right? But before you go, I don't want you to make this mistake. Don't make this mistake. Don't spend weeks creating a product before knowing whether people actually want it. This is a problem that a lot of people run into. They just go ahead and start creating digital products without first asking who is going to buy this product. Is this a product that people actually need? And that's why you need to first identify, validate, create and sell. Not create then hope someone will buy. No, this should be your process. Identify a problem, identify those that have the problem, validate your solution whether people are ready to buy it. I explained that in my first video on how I was able to make how I was able to sell my 3K product to 100 persons. Go and check my YouTube channel, you see the video there. And then you create. So once you are validated, you create, then you can now sell your stuff, right? So, but if you are still finding this overwhelmingly, I want you to let us build together. Let us build together. Instead of you just doing all of these things alone and you get stuck, why don't you build with someone that's already experienced in this um business model? And that's why I want to invite you to Idan Knowledge to Income Blueprint. In this live training, I want to teach you how to turn your knowledge into an income machine through digital product, right? So what you will do is that you bring your knowledge and we will build your first digital product together. So in the training, these are the things we are going to look at. We're going to look at your idea, we're going to validate your idea. Once it is very viable, we're going to create a product out of it. Then we'll create an offer around your product. Then we'll create a sales system and launch your product, right? We launch a product. So at the end of this live training, you are going to be living with a finished product that is already making you money. That's my promise to you. At the end of this live training, you're going to be living with a finished product that is already making you money. And this live training is going to be for a month. So me and you will be on live. We look at your idea, we validate it, we create the product. So we choose which digital product are we going to create. We create the offer, we create the sales system, and you start making money from it. And I believe that this is something that you will want. So if you are interested, join the wait list. Join the wait list. The link is going to be in the description, and I'll wait for you. Now, this live training is not going to be free. This live training is going to be paid, but it's going to be affordable because I really want you to have a digital product that can be making you money online. Don't just be scrolling on social media. You can make money online and you can do that through digital product. And that's why I want us to build your first digital products together, so that you don't make mistake and so that you can start strong. So if you're interested, don't forget, join the waitlist. The link is going to be in the description, and I'll be waiting for you on the inside. So before you go, ensure that you subscribe to this channel, you like, and you share this video to someone that you know that will be interested. See you in the next one.